Here I have iPhone 17 Pro, and let me show you 5 new features that you can use on this device. Alright, let's begin with the first one. For example, let's assume that you are searching the internet. Let's open the Safari, and you've got some pictures that you are looking for, and you would like to find some information about the things on the picture. So all you need to do is take a screenshot. The best way to do it is by using the power key and volume up. Hold down together those two buttons, and as you can see, this icon pops up. Let's tap it. And here you've got some results. So you can check out quickly the results about the things on the pictures. In my case, it's of course the Eiffel Tower. So you've got here the Siri knowledge that you can use. You can also here use the maps information and check out the similar web images. It's really easy and useful to use. And let's go for the second hidden feature and new iOS feature. So let's open the clock. Let's open the alarms section and choose one of the alarm. As you can see here, you've got new settings that you can select and you can change. It's the snooze duration. It's really useful that you can change the snooze duration in different alarms. In my case, let me make it the longest possible, so 15 minutes. You can choose between 1 to 15 minutes. Let's choose 15 minutes and let's use this icon to save it. Let's go for the third feature that comes up with the iOS 26. So let's open the settings. In settings, let's open the camera. So here's the camera icon, let's tap it. Let's scroll down, and as you can see, here you've got a new feature, lens cleaning hints. Let's make it enabled. And now, when you are taking pictures, when you are taking photos, the iPhone will display a suggestion when the camera lens should be cleaned to improve the image quality. So it's always a thing that you have like a dirty lenses and your pictures aren't good enough. So now you've got the suggestions that you should just clean your lenses and everything will be fine. Alright, let's go for the next feature. Let's open the battery. Here scroll down and choose power mode. And here let's enable the adaptive power. So now, when your battery usage is higher than usual, iPhone can extend your battery life by making performance adjustments such as lowering display brightness, allowing some activities to take longer, or simply turning on the low power mode. In my case, let me also enable the adaptive power notification, so I will see the notification that iPhone is using the adaptive power feature and now is making the adjustments to have the longer battery life. So that's it, and now let's go for the last feature. It's one of the easiest ones, but one of the most useful ones. So let's open the text messages icon, and here let's assume that you would like to copy this text, but not the whole text, only the part of it. All you need to do is hold down here longer, like for about 1 second. The following menu should pop up. Let's choose here select, and you can simply select the part of the text that you would like to copy. Let me do it again. Alright. Let me just copy the part of the text. It's difficult from that position. Alright. And let's assume that I would like to copy this part of text. I can copy them, I can also use the lookup feature, or I can translate them. Let me just copy, and now you can paste it right here. That's it. So, everything went well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.